Are you a content creator looking for the best free AI tools to enhance your work? Look no further. We have compiled a list of top-tier AI tools that will take your content creation game to the next level. First on our list is OpenAI's GPT-3. This powerful language model uses artificial intelligence to generate human-like text. With GPT-3, you can effortlessly draft blog posts, create engaging social media captions, and even write entire articles. The tool's ability to understand and mimic human language makes it a must-have AI tool for any content creator. Next up, we have Grammarly. This AI-powered writing assistant analyzes your content for grammar, spelling, punctuation, and even style. Whether you are writing an email, blog post, or social media update, Grammarly will ensure your text is error-free and polished. Its user-friendly interface and real-time suggestions make it an essential tool for content creators striving for perfection. Third on our list is WordTune, an AI tool that helps you improve your writing on the go by suggesting alternative phrasings, restructuring sentences, and enhancing vocabulary. WordTune gives your content a professional touch. With just a few clicks, you can transform your work into well-crafted pieces that captivate your audience. For those content creators with a focus on SEO, Surfer SEO is a game changer. This tool uses AI algorithms to analyze search engine result pages and provide you with valuable insights about keyword usage, content length, and headings. Surfer SEO ensures your content is optimized for maximum visibility, helping you rank higher in search engine results. Last but not least, we recommend Canva, an AI-powered graphic design tool that allows you to create stunning visuals for your content. With its user-friendly interface and vast library of templates, Canva makes graphic design accessible to everyone. Whether you need eye-catching social media graphics, blog post headers, or infographics, Canva has got you covered. In conclusion, these best free AI tools for content creators are a game changer. From generating text to perfecting grammar, optimizing SEO, and creating captivating visuals, these tools will revolutionize your content creation process. So why wait? Start exploring these AI tools today and unlock the true potential of your creativity.